welcome back to the channel. Pleasure to have you here. Today is a very simple one, just showing you some fresh plantains from the farm. How blessed are we to be able to have access to this. Have to give thanks for that. Just wanted to let you know that in spite of what life may bring your way, you must understand that you alone have the power to decide how you want to react to it. I know at times we think that we don't have control because we think that because we did not want the moment and it happened, it then means that we have no control over how we react to it because it's not a moment that we wanted. But that's not true. The reality is, even if it's a moment that you probably wouldn't have chosen, you have that stillness in you to just say, you know what, even though I didn't want this moment, it's now in front of me, so let me accept it fully. And when you learn to accept the moment that comes in your hand, wonderful things start to happen. You realize that your present moment is not something to cause you hell. You realize that it doesn't matter what's going on in your life, you're still rooted in peace because you've accepted your reality, you accepted where you are in life. So that's really what I want to just tell you guys, to accept whatever comes your way. Don't fight with the moment. Just roll with the tide. We also found this puppy out in the wild and helped him to find his mom. All in all, it was a very good rainy morning. Bye, guys.